Today, have a reading practice using basic sentences.
Let's read. Cat sat on the mat. Cat sat on the mat. Let's read. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Let's read. Big red box. Big red box. Let's read. My dog is big. My dog is big. Let's read. The bat can fly. The bat can fly. Let's read. Fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Let's read. Get the net. Get the net. Let's read. I see 3 fish. I see 3 fish. Let's read. A red bug. A red bug. Let's read. The pen is red. The pen is red. Let's read. A wet pet. A wet pet. Let's read. A big dog. A big dog. Let's read. A sad kid. A sad kid. Let's read. The cat is big. The cat is big. Let's read. The van is red. The van is red. Let's read. We had Fun. We had fun. Let's read. The sun is up. The sun is up. Let's read. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. Let's read. The hat is red. The hat is red. Let's read. A big bus. A big bus. Let's read. The net is big. The net is big. Let's read. The dog ran. The dog ran.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.